Hi, my name is Corey Freitas, and this is Gohan, and we've been together for 5 months now.
I'm Phil, this is Lacey. She found me about 7 weeks ago.
I'm Eiley.
I'm Aki, and this is Finn.
My name is Rago, and this is Tudley.
Hey guys, I am Kia with Pacific Pups Rescue. I am the director and founder of Pacific Pups. We rescue dogs out of the shelter. We find them a fitting foster home. So if you like the dog when you meet the dog, we hope that you'll take the dog for a week trial period before you officially adopt. So in that way, you really know if the dog is a good fit for you.
Pacific Pups had quite a medical extensive record on her. We went up, looked at her, fell in love with her immediately.
I said, this is the dog. Easily within a week we bonded with Tina. It definitely enriches your life because we're lucky and she's lucky.
Kia's been awesome. Ton of information, stuff I don't know, or if I need to find a vet or something. And the whole process was just pretty easy, and she makes it fun.
We can let you know if it's house trained or not, go with kids or not, cats, dogs, all the specifics about their personalities. We make sure all of our dogs are fully vetted, vaccinated, spayed and neutered, and microchipped before they go home with you.
If you love animals, I would only adopt. I wouldn't go to a puppy mill or something like that.
And needless to say, I don't have to tell you guys, she's beautiful. She's a beautiful dog. What can I say?
She is the sweetest we've ever had. And we've had dogs for 50 years.
It's hard to even think about what life would be like if I didn't have this little dude.